kind of rainy and nasty again out. So the dog here and I are going to go on a hunt for some break-in oil. I think that's the last piece of the puzzle that we're missing. Then we can get Deathwish fired back up. Hang on. The dog and I, after about 3 hours of riding around, finally found 8 quarts of break-in oil. So hopefully we can go home, get the oil into this engine, get the plug wires on, get the fuel system hooked up, gotta tighten up a few fittings, hook up my wideband. That's gonna be the important piece, and fire a new tune into this, fire it up, see what it sounds like. I'm kind of excited. I don't know about you. It's been far too long in the making. It's raining again, but we're gonna try to get this thing fired up today. We get a few things to button up, and we'll be ready to roll. We're gonna switch to an AEM wideband because I'm having trouble data logging with my Innovate. I think we got this figured out. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back with a handful of stuff here. Let's see what we can come up with. And I know I'm going to have an issue with that fuel line. Let's try the gas pedal again. It's a start, but it ain't going to be right. We'll have to revisit that. It's not going to go to wide open throttle. I'm messing around with this. I just want to hear it run. We can make it run without messing with the throttle cable. I can do that later. Alright, fuel rail spacers. Or as they're known anywhere else in the world, tube nuts. I have some good news for me. Other than the fact that I can't get this out because I've wandered around. There we go. I need to put some more oil in that. We got the good stuff out. Grab pen. I'll throw that one on the ground. I'll use that one first. Mix that. We should be good to hook. Let's hook the laptop up. We probably don't need this anymore. Got oil in it. This thing's gonna fire right off and knock like a son of a bitch.
No. I'd take right off out of this tent.
Might. Something ain't hooked up. Should have fuel pump there. Shows power at the diagnostic port. Nothing. Ground's not hooked to the block.
Where?
It's underneath. Or you want to unhook one of those, just so I don't. Oop, Swedish nut lathe. Yeah, we should probably hook the ground to the block. And we should probably tighten this ground because that ground's not very tight.
Wow, better than taking that key switch.
Yep, way better. What do you think?
Let me.
Out of the.
Usually I stand right there and get hit with water, but I don't want to.
Oh! We got something that ain't right. So
Dizzy 180 out.
Wrong key.
Looks like it's getting fuel.
It smells like it's getting fuel. Let's see if we can adjust the throttle spring just a little bit.
You want me to play with it while you crank it?
I can just go like this. Easy peasy. Try this one more time. I'd say she runs.
Holy fuck.
It is pig rich.
Smells
Pig
like
rich.
a two-stroke.
Well, it was running like. Oh. Man.
That's fucking loud. At first, it's like, eh. And then you just tap it and...
In the fucking idle.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll have a fucking sandwich to that. I mean, this tune isn't even remotely close, but holy.
I think we got the noise you wanted.
Yeah. It's way louder without those turbos on it. Let's try her again. Let me fire it one more time, see if we get oil pressure.
I forgot to look again.